Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. This is a paper crafting / haul channel. So if that's something you're interested in and you're not already subscribed, please make sure you do so you can join in on all the fun. I'm still a bit under the weather. I'm on antibiotics, bronchitis / pneumonia kind of thing happening here. I've been taking my inhaler, and I'm feeling very jittery today because of my one inhaler. Makes me feel very jittery. But anyway, I wanted to get another video out to you guys. I apologize. I have had to start this video like 4 times because I keep having a coughing attack. So I'm going to try to cut it out if it happens like now. But anyway, this is going to be a quick video, I hope, although I say that in every video. Today, Sarah and I, as you may or may not know, recently went down to South Carolina to visit my dad. While we were down there, Sarah found a scrapbook company, which I've never been to before. It's called Scrapbooks by the Sea. And all the years of going down there, I wish it's right around the corner from my dad and my stepmom's house. And I wish I knew about it. I would have been down there a lot more often. And now my dad and stepmom are moving to Texas, so I'll have to find one down there. But anyway, we went and visited. I could spend the entire day there. It's Scrapbooks by the Sea. Here's their phone number. The woman I spoke with, her name was Ray Ann Culp. And they have a Facebook page. They do classes. I believe they do virtual classes as well. Place was adorable. So anyway, I'll put some pictures up of their little store. Adorable. Anyway, I purchased a few items while we were down there. I could have gone crazy down there, but I was limited on funds. But anyway, this is a cute little bag that they gave me my items in. I only got 3 items. This one here, art glitter glue. I use it often. I was running out. So it was $9 for 4 ounces. I do like art glitter glue. I've been going back and forth between that and the Barely Art precision glue. Here's my art glitter glue, has been around the block, but I will switch out the top once this is done. This is a few years old. This has lasted a long time. This one's 12 milliliters, 4 ounces. This is 4 ounces. I guess just because of the bottle shape. But anyway, I got that. Not that big a deal. I only got 2 other items. Distress Oxide. I'm trying to I always do that. People don't like that. I'm trying to get every color possible of the Distress Oxides. I have a cool box and a warm tone box. And I had a picture on my phone of the colors that I have. I hope I don't have this color. And I deleted it by accident. And please don't be tumble glass. No, I don't have it, thank God. I know I needed a light color, a light blue, so I got that. We're going to try it out. So that's that one. This was $7 at their store. Cute, cute, cute. I'm not sure what they are regularly. I usually get them at Michael's. So we're going to try that out. And then I haven't tried the Catherine Puller inks yet. I was going to do the bigger pads. They have the bigger pads. And I thought, oh, if I like them and I want more, let me try out the little ones. So anyway, I got this little 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 8-pack. It's a party collection. And it was $35. They had different collections. I think this one was on sale for $39, which I think is kind of expensive. I don't know. I'm not familiar with Catherine Puller inks, but the girls there were talking all about it. They said that they really like it. So we're going to try them out. We'll just do a couple. I didn't realize they were all wrapped up like this, or I would have had it all opened to save some time. Say this is going to end up being a long video. Unless I edit this out. Alright, what I don't like right now already, I can tell you right now, is looks are deceiving, and it's kind of hollow in here. It's a little pad. Juicy enough. We'll see. What kind of inks are these anyway? Is she a dye ink or is she a... Oh, it gives you instructions. Hey there, I'm so glad you purchased our CP Minis to stamp with. Here are some tips for getting the most of your minis. Visit CatherinePoehler.com/ink for even more information. Love tap. Our ink works best with just a little love tap. Foam pads. Release ink very easily, so experiment and play with them. Alright, ink refills, which they did have them there. Water reactive. These inks will react with water, which makes them great for for splotching, flickering techniques. You can even watercolor with them. Oh, I like that. Okay, I don't know how to watercolor, but something we can try. Not today, but embossing powder. These inks do not dry immediately, so you have a short time to sprinkle some of your embossing powder. That means these inks work as colored embossing ink. I like that too, so that's really cool. Okay, and blends easily. That's what I want to look at. I want to see if they blend like the oxides or the inks. They stay wet for a few seconds. You have time to blend beautifully. Okay. Alrighty. That's cute. I'm just going to open a couple. Alright. I got them all open. I always do that. Always do that. Always knocking something over. Alright. Let's get this all out of here. Let's move you up there. Let's move you up there. Voila, we have a piece of paper. Let's move you over there. Alright, we got our cools. This can kind of go either way. Alright, let's try this first. Oh, it is a light blue. Alright. I ran out of the dome ones. We're going to use the flat one. These are the only flat ones I have left. Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy. Oh, this would be a pretty color for like winter cards. Winter cards and sky. Alright, that's pretty. What do you think? We like. Alright, let's do these guys. This is called Tiki Torch. These are like, they are foam. They're foamy. But they have the top like, oh, that's really juicy. Like, Stampin' Up. Let's swing first. Ooh. I'm glad I didn't just buy just one. Alright, didn't stay that wet. I am gonna, don't yell at me, I'm gonna use this yellow, let's see. To blend. It's the same color family, so it'll be alright. Don't know about the blending. You really got to work it. You got to work it. Let's try the blue. Oh, I love this blue. This is something borrowed. Very pretty color. Yeah, I don't think I like how this is going on here. It's not a very smooth. This one's called Aquatini. It's not a very smooth. Oh, that's pretty too. kind of blotchy. I don't know about this. I don't know. Let's try a stamp. It just happened to be at my desk, so I'll just do Happy Holidays. Stamp's kind of blotchy. I don't know if I like it. Where's my Timo rag? Let me wipe this off real quick. Let's try the blue. I mean, it's okay for stamping. It's not my favorite. It's not VersaFine. Oh, also, I did get 4 items. I got the VersaFine re-inker. No idea where it is. I got a re-inker for my VersaFine. No idea where that disappeared to. It was just a little bottle. And might be in the car still. I don't know. Speaking of re-inkers, it just reminded me. So, do I like the inks? I don't think they're good at blending. Let's spritz some water on it. Let's see what happens. Now I'm worried about where it happened to that re-inker. It's got to be in the car. All right. We did some water. It says it's water reactive, right? That's what we read. There's a lot of water on there. Oh, it is water reactive. Okay, cool. Cool. I like that. I think it dries faster than they say. Maybe it's the paper. Let's try different paper. There's a watercolor paper. And 110-pound cardstock. I don't know what that has to do with the price of tea in China, but I don't like how it goes on. I don't like it. It's blotchy. Distress oxide. Smooth. You can smooth it out. No harsh line. That's harsh. I don't know. I don't think they stay that wet that long. I don't know. Am I a big fan? Not really. Not right now. I'll play with them some more and see what's what. Let's get a paintbrush. Let's wet this paintbrush. Let's see what happens here. It's not moving. It sinks in pretty quickly. It doesn't really... This I can move around. Distress oxides are movable. Excuse me. I'm glad. No, I'm not glad. I'm not glad, actually. I was going to say I'm glad I got the little packs. But you know what? One of the little things would have been like $7 versus $35 for all these little ones. Am I a fan? No. Nope, 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 nope. I tried them because everybody talks about them. We'll keep trying them to see what's what. Will I reach for them? No, I'll reach for my Distress Oxides. And I'm kind of wishing now I spent the $35 on more Distress Oxides than I did on that. But, live and learn, I guess. That's disappointing. Anyway, I'll post some pictures of the scrapbooks by the sea. I did happen to notice, I looked at their stamps and they're so expensive, and I think it's because I buy my stamps now off of Temu, and Temu is so inexpensive that I was like sticker shocked by the prices of their stamps and their dies. I was like, wow. Like the one was like $18 for this massive die that, like one of these, was like $18 for one of these, and I was like, oh my god, I think I paid like $6 for it on Temu. Although we all know my struggle with these larger dies, with Temu's larger dies, so I don't, $18? That's crazy. So yeah, I did ask the girl too. I said, are you guys seeing a decrease in sales due to the Temu? And she said, no, not at all. So that's good. Cute little store. But anyway, I'll post some pictures of it, guys. And that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Girls that I owe cards to, today's Friday. I haven't gotten to the I haven't been out of the house yet. I'm going to be heading up to Sarah's tomorrow. I will stop at the post office on the way up there tomorrow. I have your cards here, ready to go out. I have to put them in envelopes and then I'll get them up to you. I apologize, but thank you for your patience. And what else? The next video, I'm not sure what it's going to be. To be honest with you, I have no clue. I still owe you guys 2 more videos, so they'll be coming soon. Eventually, just be patient. I appreciate it. Like I said, I've been feeling under the weather, so I appreciate everybody's understanding and patience, and I'll get them out as soon as possible. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.